GED scientific method made simple. Question 1. Which law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? Option A, the zeroth law. Option B, first law. Option C, second law. Option D, third law. The correct answer is option A, zeroth law. Zeroth law is correct. First law is incorrect. Second law is incorrect. Third law is incorrect. Question 2. Suppose a chemical reaction absorbs heat. Which term best describes this reaction? Option A, endothermic. Option B, exothermic. Option C, catalytic. Option D, combustive. The correct answer is option A, endothermic. Endothermic is correct. Exothermic is incorrect. Catalytic is incorrect. Combustive is incorrect. Question 3. How does the body maintain blood glucose levels after a sugary meal? Option A, glucagon lowers blood sugar. Option B, insulin signals cells to take up glucose. Option C, liver stores less glucose. Option D, kidneys excrete sugar. The correct answer is option A, glucagon lowers blood sugar. Glucagon lowers blood sugar is correct. Insulin signals cells to take up glucose is incorrect. Liver stores less glucose is incorrect. Kidneys excrete sugar is incorrect. Question 4. A person with type A blood can safely receive blood from which donor? Option A, type A or type O. Option B, type B only. Option C, type AB only. Option D, any type. The correct answer is option A, type A or type O. Type A or type O is correct. Type B only is incorrect. Type AB only is incorrect. Any type is incorrect. Question 5. Which type of energy is due to position or height? Option A, kinetic. Option B, gravitational potential. Option C, elastic potential. Option D, thermal. The correct answer is option A, kinetic. Kinetic is correct. Gravitational potential is incorrect. Elastic potential is incorrect. Thermal is incorrect. Question 6. Which type of wave is used to transmit cell phone signals? Option A, sound waves. Option B, radio waves. Option C, ultraviolet. Option D, gamma rays. The correct answer is option A, sound waves. Sound waves is correct. Radio waves is incorrect. Ultraviolet is incorrect. Gamma rays is incorrect. Question 7. Which device changes electrical energy into mechanical energy? Option A, generator. Option B, motor. Option C, transformer. Option D, battery. The correct answer is option A, generator. Generator is correct. Motor is incorrect. Transformer is incorrect. Battery is incorrect. Question 8. Which structure in the human heart prevents backflow of blood? Option A, septum. Option B, ventricle. Option C, valve. Option D, atrium. The correct answer is option A, septum. Septum is correct. Ventricle is incorrect. Valve is incorrect. Atrium is incorrect. Question 9. How does a scientific theory differ from a hypothesis? Option A, theory is a guess, hypothesis is proven. Option B, theory is broad, well-supported explanation, hypothesis is testable prediction. Option C, theory is mathematical, hypothesis is verbal. Option D, no difference. The correct answer is option A, theory is a guess, hypothesis is proven. Theory is a guess, hypothesis is proven is correct. Theory is broad, well-supported explanation, hypothesis is testable prediction is incorrect. Theory is mathematical, hypothesis is verbal is incorrect. No difference is incorrect. Question 10. Which structure carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? Option A, pulmonary artery. Option B, pulmonary vein. Option C, aorta. Option D, vena cava. The correct answer is option A, pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is correct. Pulmonary vein is incorrect. Aorta is incorrect. Vena cava is incorrect. Question 11. A person has a fever. Which body system is responding to infection? Option A, digestive. Option B, immune. Option C, circulatory. Option D, respiratory. The correct answer is option A, digestive. Digestive is correct. Immune is incorrect. Circulatory is incorrect. Respiratory is incorrect. Question 12. A scientist observes that a certain moth population becomes darker over generations. This is an example of option A, artificial selection, option B, genetic drift, option C, natural selection, option D, mutation pressure. The correct answer is option A, artificial selection. Artificial selection is correct. Genetic drift is incorrect. Natural selection is incorrect. Mutation pressure is incorrect. Question 13. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A, Jupiter. Option B, Saturn. Option C, Mars. Option D, Venus. The correct answer is option A, Jupiter. Jupiter is correct. Saturn is incorrect. Mars is incorrect. Venus is incorrect. Question 14. A patient has an autoimmune disease where the body attacks its own cells. Which statement is true? Option A, immune system fails to recognize self versus non-self. Option B, bacteria are causing it. Option C, it is always genetic. Option D, no treatment exists. The correct answer is option A, immune system fails to recognize self versus non-self. Immune system fails to recognize self versus non-self is correct. Bacteria are causing it is incorrect. It is always genetic is incorrect. No treatment exists is incorrect. Question 15. Which planet has the strongest gravitational pull? Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is option A, Earth. Earth is correct. Mars is incorrect. Jupiter is incorrect. Saturn is incorrect. Question 16. Why do some insects become resistant to pesticides over time? Option A, pesticide causes mutations. Option B, natural selection favors resistant individuals. Option C, insects learn to avoid poison. Option D, pesticide degrades. The correct answer is option A, pesticide causes mutations. Pesticide causes mutations is correct. Natural selection favors resistant individuals is incorrect. Insects learn to avoid poison is incorrect. Pesticide degrades is incorrect. Question 17. A graph shows coal levels rising since 1950. Which human activity is the most likely primary cause? Option A, increase in cattle farming. Option B, burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Option C, volcanic eruptions. Option D, ozone depletion. The correct answer is option A, increase in cattle farming. Increase in cattle farming is correct. Burning fossil fuels and deforestation is incorrect. Volcanic eruptions is incorrect. Ozone depletion is incorrect. Question 18. How does a virus differ from a bacterium? Option A, virus is larger. Option B, virus cannot reproduce without a host cell. Option C, bacteria have DNA, viruses do not. Option D, bacteria are always harmful. The correct answer is option A, virus is larger. Virus is larger is correct. Virus cannot reproduce without a host cell is incorrect. Bacteria have DNA, viruses do not is incorrect. Bacteria are always harmful is incorrect. Question 19. Which type of selection reduces variation around a mean? Option A, directional. Option B, disruptive. Option C, stabilizing. Option D, random. The correct answer is option A, directional. Directional is correct. Disruptive is incorrect. Stabilizing is incorrect. Random is incorrect. Question 20. How does a wind turbine generate electricity? Option A, blades turn a generator. Option B, wind heats coils. Option C, friction creates charge. Option D, chemical reaction. The correct answer is option A, blades turn a generator. Blades turn a generator is correct. Wind heats coils is incorrect. Friction creates charge is incorrect. Chemical reaction is incorrect.